Did you know that some trees take up to 100 years to mature before they're useful? That's an entire lifetime. But bamboo? It grows fast, really fast. In as little as 3 years, it's ready to harvest. No replanting, no heavy maintenance, and it keeps growing back, like nature's green miracle. Now picture this, a 1,000 square foot house built entirely using bamboo harvested from a single acre of land. Sounds unbelievable, right? But this isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, in parts of Asia and beyond. And that's just the beginning. Bamboo is stepping in where plastic, steel, and even wood used to dominate. From furniture and flooring to eco-friendly spoons, paper, and reusable straws, bamboo is becoming the sustainable backbone of dozens of industries. It's biodegradable, durable, and surprisingly beautiful. But what's the real secret behind its power? How is bamboo grown, shaped, and transformed into everyday products? Stick around. We're taking you deep inside a bamboo farm, where sustainability meets innovation, and showing how this superplant might just be Earth's quietest hero. Trees take anywhere from 30 to even 100 years to fully grow. That's an entire lifetime. But bamboo? It's ready in just 3 to 5 years. That speed is unheard of in the plant world, especially for something so tough and strong. But there's more. After you cut bamboo, it doesn't die. It grows back on its own using the same roots. No seeds, no replanting, no waiting. That saves time, energy, and money for farmers. Because of this, bamboo is now being used everywhere. Buildings, furniture, paper, packaging, even toothbrushes. It's become a green gold mine. And here's a fact that surprises most people. To build a 1,000 square foot house, you need just 1 acre of bamboo. If you use trees instead, you'd need 12 acres of forest. That's 12 times more land for the same result. Think about what that means for saving space and saving forests. Bamboo isn't picky about where it grows. While most crops struggle in rough, steep, or rocky areas, bamboo thrives. In the mountains of China and Southeast Asia, farmers plant bamboo where tractors can't even roll. No fancy machines, no smooth land, just strong hands and centuries-old farming wisdom. When it's time to harvest, workers cut the tall bamboo stalks with simple tools. Then they carry them down narrow paths, often on their backs or with the help of mules. It's not easy work, but it gets done. What's amazing is how little bamboo demands. It grows with minimal water, no chemical fertilizers, and zero need for replanting. Its thick roots grip the soil tightly, stopping erosion and keeping the land healthy year after year. As more countries ban plastic, bamboo is quickly becoming the go-to material for sustainable living. One standout product? Chopsticks. Bamboo chopsticks are lightweight, sturdy, and smooth to the touch. People love them because they don't splinter easily and feel natural in hand. Best of all, they're 100% biodegradable, unlike plastic, which takes hundreds of years to decompose. To ensure hygiene and quality, manufacturers dip the chopsticks in an anti-mold solution made from natural ingredients. After that, they heat them in special drying kilns, which sterilize each piece before it's carefully packed for global use. Bamboo isn't just for chopsticks anymore. Today, it's being transformed into everyday tools like spoons, forks, and even knives that you can use at home, at events, or on the go. In modern eco-factories, thin bamboo strips go through a special press machine. With the help of high temperature and strong pressure, these strips are molded into solid shapes, each one carefully pressed to match the exact size and curve of a utensil. The result? Utensils that are lightweight, durable, and completely compostable. You can rinse and reuse them several times, or toss them in the compost where they break down naturally. And the best part? Each piece carries the unique grain and color of the bamboo it came from. No two spoons look exactly alike. They're not just tools. They're tiny, natural works of art. Every single day, people throw away millions of plastic straws. Most are used once, then tossed. They don't break down. Instead, they clog up rivers, drift into oceans, and hurt sea turtles, fish, and birds. But bamboo straws, they're different. These straws are made from natural bamboo stalks, with no chemicals, no plastic, and no waste. You can rinse them and use them again and again. They're strong enough for hot coffee or cold juice, and they never leave a plastic taste. And when they've done their job, drop them in your compost bin. In a few weeks, they return to the soil. No mess, no pollution, and no harm to the planet. It's a small switch, but it makes a big difference. Bamboo is more than a plastic alternative. It's a natural air purifier. It pulls carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere much faster than most trees, helping to clean the air and reduce the harmful gases that cause global warming. Its thick root system also locks carbon in the soil, preventing it from escaping into the air. That's why bamboo is one of the best plants for carbon capture. Now imagine replacing materials like steel or concrete, which release a lot of carbon during production, with strong, fast-growing bamboo. The impact? A big drop in emissions during construction. By choosing bamboo in products, packaging, or buildings, you're not just going green, you're helping cool the planet. Bamboo has strong, flexible fibers that are perfect for making high-quality paper. These fibers are longer than those in most trees, which means bamboo paper is more durable and less likely to tear. And because bamboo grows back so fast without needing replanting, it helps protect forests. One field of bamboo can be harvested again and again, while trees take decades to regrow. It also needs less water and fewer chemicals during processing. The result? Paper that prints clearly, feels smooth, and breaks down easily when recycled. So every time someone picks bamboo paper, they're not just making a smarter choice, they're helping reduce deforestation and protect the planet for the future. Bamboo isn't a trend, it's the future. From construction and packaging to cutlery and paper, this miracle plant is changing the way we live and helping protect the planet at the same time. If you're as fascinated as we are by bamboo's power, hit like, subscribe, and check out our next video to see how bamboo furniture is crafted. You won't believe what this plant can do.